Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel, and you're joining us at the Bedlington Family Festival. This is my hometown, and get a look at this. Wow.
I wish I was there, along with the other 5,000 people who say they were there.
The next band that's on are the very famous Oasis. I mean, Hoasis. And yes, that's clearly a tribute band.
Today, it's a fantastic Oasis!
24 hours later.
Day 2 of the Bedlington Family Festival. And just like that, we're done. So that's Bedlington 2-day music festival, family fun festival, I think it was called. Done. So see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job. Ready for it?